you're gonna need your ingredients: foil or wax paper, a rolling pin, flour, water, scissors, a ruler, and paper. First, we're gonna measure out 14 inches of foil or wax paper. Next, we're gonna cut our paper into 1-inch strips. Then we're gonna take the strips and cut them into little rectangles. You're gonna need a lot for this project. So you're gonna take 1 cup of flour and 2 cups of water and blend it together in a shallow band with a spoon or a whisk. I already have. Make sure it's smooth when you're finished. Then you're going to soak the little rectangles into this mixture, little girls, and start laying it out. It's okay if they overlap, but start laying them out in rows. Now that we've covered our foil with papyrus going this way, now we're going to cover it going this way. Now we're going to put another piece of 14-inch foil over it, nice and smooth. Make sure it's aligned good. Then we're going to take a rolling pin or another heavy object, and here's the fun part. Roll it out, squeeze all the water and flour out. If I were you, I'd put paper towels because this is the messy part. Fun but messy. Make sure you squeeze it really good. Okay, now we take off the top sheet. If it sticks, just pull it off gently. Take your papyrus, put it somewhere safe, and lay it flat, let it dry. Once it's dry, you take it off the foil, and there you go, there's your papyrus. This part is for experts only. If you really want to do something interesting, take 2 or 3 and take them together when they're dry to make a long scroll. Thanks for watching How to Make Papyrus. Love you, Powerhouse Kids. I can't wait to see what your papyrus looks like. Here's mine when it's dried and done. This is what I did. Can't wait to see what you guys do. Love you guys.